We got a 1966 red on red Corvette, finished in its factory original colors. It's a rare automatic, rare original factory air car. The compressor is gone, but it's an original factory air car, and those are hard to come across. It's got brand new interior. I'll show you in a second. Period correct. Motor. If you like the car, if you have any questions, I have the link to our eBay store below. The car's for sale there. Still working on a website, which will be coming soon. See? Factory air over there. A nice white top. Doors open and close nicely. All the gaps are nice. It's a very unmolested, not chopped up, very original 66 Corvette. The chrome is nice. Got all original bonding strips. See? Nice and easy door opening. The brand new interior, the door panels, the newer carpet. Nice carpet back there. Again, the nice white top. The doors open and close smoothly. Again, it'll be for sale on our website or eBay, depending on where it goes first. The website's not up yet. It'll be up soon. If you have interest, send us a message. Get in touch. We provide any pictures, details, all the stuff you want. It's a humid day too. You can kind of see a little bit of the moisture on the car, but it's nice. Look, the paint's clean underneath all the moisture. So if you saw any of those spots, it's the moisture. It's not really bad paint. See, it's all over. So I'll open the engine. And I'll show you guys that. See? Nice and smooth. Nice V8, aluminum radiator. Nice solid compartment. Car runs and drives like a Swiss watch. Starts right up. Smooth as silk.